Welcome back everyone to another Crazy School Drifter video. In this video, we show you how to change the race on your fork. And if you've got a wobbly steering wheel like I had, you'll need to change your headset to a sealed one, I reckon. It's the best way to go. And anyway, in this video, I'll show you how to do it, guys. Before we get to the video, please subscribe to my page, smash the bell so you don't miss out on any more notifications, and give it a big thumbs up, guys. That'd be awesome. Let's get the video. Let's go. What you're going to need, guys, is an old screwdriver and a hammer. Don't smash me in the comments about my wife's hammer, please. I know it's nice, pretty and pink, but it does the job. Anyway, let's go. Just working my way around it, nice and slowly. I can see there's a little gap there already. Turn her over. Little bit by little bit. That's all you can do. We got it. Hey. And that's how you get the bottom race off. What a nightmare. Little bit by little bit. New race. Tap it down nice and softly. Can't see it. Put it at the back. Sealed bearing. Ah, look at that. Oh, very nice and smooth that is. Now to get this part out, just get a hammer again. Put it on the inside of that silver bit. Couple of taps each side. Comes out just like that. Beautiful. Nice and easy. So to put it back in, guys, I forgot to film it. I put the top one in. I just got a bit of plastic over the top, a hammer, and just tapped over it nice and lightly till she's in like flint. Let's do the other side. Turn her over. Make sure you take the bearings out, guys, before you do it, which is here, because you don't want to hit the bearing, you don't want to smash them and stuff, so I just take the bearing out. Make sure you get the writing where you want it. I want mine on the side. Give it a little push, but I'm not going to stay there. God damn it. Sure that's going in. Don't smash it too hard. Flip her over. Have a look. Now it needs to go in a bit more.
Sounds like it's hitting now. Dinted with plastic, so it looks like it's in. Yes, that's in. It's in all the way. Well, that's top and bottom. Both in. Looks nice. I like it. Don't forget to put your bearing back in the bottom, guys. One back in the top there. Then this little part sits in there like so. Washer on top, and then this cap. And then you'll have to use, dare say, this one here to hold that one down as well, maybe. Don't know, first time I put it together, so we'll see. But that's probably how I'll run it, guys. Let's put it together and have a look. Nice and careful and gentle when you put it in. Make sure the bottom sits in nice. Yep, that's beautiful. Next goes on that. Next is the ring and that cover. Oh, beautiful. And put your steering wheel on. She's done. That's how you do a headset, guys.